The last thing you'd want to do is hold money during a war, but you're going to be a lot better off owning productive assets over the next 50 years than you will be owning pieces of paper, or I'm going to throw in bitcoins.
The market just bounced 2.5%. Everyone's celebrating. Everyone thinks the worst is already over. This time, you won't freeze. Now here's what actually happened. The US and Iran agreed to a 2-week ceasefire. 2 weeks. Meanwhile, the Dow jumped, oil dropped 17%, and now everyone thinks this is over.
A more prolonged shock could push the S&P towards 5350.
And here's what the experts are saying. This is a pause, not a resolution. The ceasefire lasts for 2 weeks. After that, nobody knows. And the underlying risks, they are still there. Stagflation and AI bubble fears. None of that went away. So here's the trap most people are walking into. Now the market dropped hard for 5 weeks. A lot of stocks got absolutely destroyed. And now that it bounced, people are gonna think I need to buy right now before it goes any higher. Now that would be your worst decision. Buying a bad company just because it bounced is still buying a bad company. If the company has no fundamentals and no competitive advantage, you're not buying recovery. You're buying a trap. And if you miss just the 10 best days of real recovery, the one that comes after the dust settles, your returns drop by more than half. 10 days, that's how expensive panic buying is. People get rich during recessions all the time, and they know something you don't. You buy quality when everyone else gets scared. So, what do you actually do right now? You don't chase the rebound. You identify quality business that got cut off in the sell-off, companies with strong earnings, low debt, and real competitive advantages, and you buy them consistently. And Buffett built his fortune by buying quality when everyone else was scared, and by holding when everyone else was celebrating. Now, something doesn't change. The people that got rich in recessions aren't the ones that timed the bottom perfectly. They are the ones who bought quality and didn't freeze.